Okay guys, I've just received my Logitech G19 gaming keyboard, and let's open it and see what's inside. A lot of bubble wrap in here. Here it is. Tuck that to the one side. Okay guys, here it is. The new Logitech G19 gaming keyboard. Alright, if we have a look here, it has a 60 day enabled games. Probably comes with World of Warcraft in here. So what we do here, just open this and this one here and check what's here. It is. So let's see what you get inside the box. Let's put the keyboard to one side first. Okay, inside we have the power adapter, you have the armrest, and you have the manual which has a CD in it. Other than that, nothing else is in here. Now, the keypad itself has a USB connector and it has a power connector. With this keyboard you actually need to power it via the power adapter, otherwise it won't work. So let's just open this up. Alright guys, here we have it. This up here is a color LCD screen, so it will display your CPU temp or your in-game details or any other function you want to put on there. But it's a very nice keyboard. Let's see what's on the back. Nothing, just but other than that, it's an excellent keyboard. Okay, I've just switched the keyboard on, and on the desktop I'm running core temp at the moment. The keyboard itself automatically picks it up, so it displays it. It's not actually clear, but it's actually displaying all my temperatures for my GPUs and the CPU. And here you have all the macros. You can adjust it from the top here by pressing M1, M2 and M3. It has a nice backlight on it, and very nice keyboard. Here you have the scroll button. Instead of using your mouse, you can use this to go up and down. Let me just switch the light off and just show you if you can see any of the backlight on the keyboard itself. Very nice.